If you're a Muslim, this video could fix so many issues in your life that are costing you time, because most people don't ruin their life overnight. It happens slowly doom scrolling, slowly watching the things you shouldn't be watching, slowly doing the habits that you need to get away from. And then one day you're 30 years old wondering where your 20s went. Trust me, I know how that feels. Today, I'm a 33-year-old man, but I run multiple companies. I've, alhamdulillah, been blessed by Allah Azza wa Jal, but I was once 21. I was once 22. I see my friends, I see my circle, and I know that people need to be in a better situation to where they are today at 33, and how many people waste their 20s. Wallahi, the truth is that 6 months of dedicated, focused, you focusing on the goals that you need to achieve could completely change your life. And in fact, at 25, that is exactly what I did. I focused on myself, I focused on my business, I focused on my studies, my religion, and 6 months, today now at 33 years old, I'm in a much better situation because of those 6 months. You see guys, what you don't realize is wasting time is costing you opportunities. Right now, you're doing the doom scrolling, you're watching things you shouldn't be watching, you've got bad habits, you're chasing those crypto pumps, you're trying to make quick money. I mean, how many of us are now, well, I'm not, but how many people are trying to become Forex traders and quick money and, trying to do a course on, oh, can I see money within 2 weeks and I want to make a lot of money in 2 weeks, and guess what? That doesn't happen. Real businesses do not get built quickly. Real businesses, it takes time to build. But guess what? 3, 4, 5 months in, 6 months in, you are in a much better situation than that person that keeps trying to chase those quick schemes and quick trying to make money. Your biggest issue is, how many times have you tried doing different things and they don't work? And sometimes it's not necessarily because the thing in itself doesn't work. Sometimes you haven't got the right support. Sometimes the thing is bogus, but sometimes it's because you can't commit to one thing long enough. You keep giving up, and that giving up habit in you has been instilled in the systems that you've put in around you. Look, you have to understand something, that you are currently wasting your time. You are currently not being productive, but there are a lot of people that are seeing success. A lot of people are making money. A lot of people are, becoming good Muslims and focusing on their religion. And maybe success isn't making money, right? For me, I'm not telling you success is just making money. Success is also learning the Arabic language. Maybe you've been thinking about learning the Arabic language, and guess what? 2-3 years later, you're still nowhere near where you should be. It is again because you're wasting time. You want to make money, you're not making money. You want to be in a better financial situation, you're not. Maybe you're looking to memorize Quran, but you're not, and you're thinking, oh man, I need to get to it, and you've been telling yourself for the last 4 or 5 years that you're going to do it, but you haven't been doing it. And the truth is, you don't want to be 30 plus, 35 plus, married, couple of children, and thinking, I wasted my 20s away. You see, Allah Azza wa Jalla has given us the same 24 hours. Every single person has the same amount of time. And I remember being, 16, 17 years old, I did terrible in my GCSEs. I actually flunked my GCSEs, right? I go on and I tried to get into university. And to me at that point, just getting into university was the ultimate success. I was never good at academia. Man, I've never been good at academia. It's just not the person I am, right? I can't sit there and studying day in, day out. I didn't do well. But the one thing that did differentiate me, and alhamdulillah, Allah blessed me. After Allah's blessings, the one thing differentiated me with everyone else was I just didn't give up. I just kept plucking away at one thing over and over again. At 21 years old, someone came to me and said, let's do ACN. I said, no, I've got a job in recruitment. I need to focus on it. I need to make commission. I need to get promoted. Someone came to me with monsoon or something like that. I can't remember what it was. Let me know in the comments if you know what I'm talking about, the ACN and the monsoon stuff. And someone came to me with another scheme. And I was like, no, I'm just doing my thing and I need to focus. Someone came to me at 25 years old when I was leaving my job and I was starting my own recruitment company. Let's do Forex. Forex is the way forward. No, I'm going to start my own recruitment company because I know people have seen success in it, people have made money in it, I've made money in it, I've seen a lot of other people make money in it, I know I can do it, this is my thing and I'm going to focus on it. After 4 years of working in it as a job, learning and understanding everything, I go start my recruitment company at 25 years old. And guess what? 3 months in, I'm now making 7, 8, 10,000 pounds, where I was shocked, I was baffled. And I was thinking, how is this even possible that I'm making the sort of money? And the number one thing, guys, I'll tell you something. The number one thing that at 25 allowed me to see some success, and there are things that I put in place that allowed me to see even more success, and I'll get to that. But the number one thing at that point, 21 to 25, I do one thing, I do it for a long time, I learn it, I understand it, and then I go start my business in it. And then when I go start a business, I know the business makes money, I know the thing works. Right? I go start and I start making money. And that is the one thing, by the way, when you guys look on social media, can you see someone that has been doing one thing for 10, 12, 13 years? Well, you can't. Everyone, these experts, these gurus you see on social media, they've done it for 6 months. They've done it for a year. They've done it for 18 months. In fact, if you can stick at one thing and do it for a long time, you will become an expert. You will become elite. It is actually not that hard to stand out from everyone else if you just do one thing for a long time and keep learning and keep learning and keep improving, raising your prices, thinking about how you can, go into different parts of that same thing that you're doing. If you just stick at one thing and you do it for a long time, you will become an expert and you will stand out, and it's not that hard to beat everyone else. Because remember, most people are chasing quick money, quick results, the dopamine effect. And why is that happening? Because you're doing that doom scrolling, you want quick results. Everyone's talking about quick results, quick. The truth is, quick results can happen. But you just need the right support, you need the right people around you. And what is quick results? Well, if you can make 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 pounds after 4, 5, 6 weeks, that's a very quick result. And then it's a case of scaling up from that, right? But the point here is, you can't expect to become a millionaire overnight. And your biggest issue is when you don't see instant results, and that might not be money, that might mean a positive result within the first couple of days, within the first week, within the first 2 weeks, you instantly want to feel like giving up. You feel like, oh man, maybe this isn't it. Maybe I'll do something else. And then that is exactly where you have wasted the last few years of your life. Keep trying to chase different things. And I'll tell you, when I started my recruitment company at 25 years old, nobody cared. My family, my friends, nobody around me was like, oh, he's starting his own recruitment company. Oh, he's going to become. Nobody. In fact, everyone was telling me against it. Everyone, because everyone follows one path. You go to university, you get a job, and you become unfortunately, a worker to the business. For the next 30, 40 years, you get a mortgage, and I am not for mortgages. I don't believe them to be permissible, but you go and do, live in a house, you get married, happy, 40 years, you go work for a business, and that's it. And me fighting against the system, right? Bearing in mind, guys, you guys have social media right now, and you have someone like me telling you and other people telling you that this isn't the way forward. 7, 8 years ago, when I started my company, I had no one. I was that odd person that was like, I am not going to work a job and I'm going to go start a company. I was odd, right? And people around me didn't care. People around me didn't actually want to see success. If I be honest, they were happy for me, but they were happy for me as long as I didn't make more money and as long as I didn't see more success. And that is just an unfortunate, unsaid rule in life. People care for you, but if you start doing better than them, then all of a sudden, people aren't very happy for what you're achieving. But listen to this, because this is important. From 21 to 25, I work a job in recruitment. I stick out one thing. I go start my own recruitment company from my living room. I stick out one thing. I do something that I know, and then I keep plugging away. I have companies that turn around and say, no, we're not interested, but guess what? I have good results. I make good money, and 6 months later, when I'm making £20,000 a month, I stick out one thing. And now, by the way, 20 grand a month, right? I could go start another business. I can actually, 2, 3 months later, 4 months later, I could start another company, right? Because that's what they say, 7 income streams make you a millionaire, right? That's what everyone tells you. What they don't tell you is though, that when it's the 7 income streams, it is only one income stream that makes up 90% of your revenue, 90% of your profits. That's how it usually works, right? So, let's take out one thing. Now I'm 25 years old. I scale it. I keep working. For 2, 3 years, I don't even look at the money. For me, it's not about the money. It's about, I just need to keep grinding away. I need to keep be consistent. And this is key, guys. As long as you don't give up, you can't fail. It's not possible to fail if you don't give up. So you stick at it. I stuck at it until 28, 29. Now at 29 years old, my business is making, alhamdulillah, a lot of money. And by the way, guys, if you think I'm wrong in what I'm saying, just think about this one thing. How many people on social media can tell you that they've done one thing for 10 years? Not many people. Right? And the people that will say that, yes, I'm an expert in X, they've done it for 6 months, they've done it for a year, they've done it for 2 years, they will tell you they're an expert, but actually they are only making money from their program or their course or the information that they're teaching you. They haven't actually made money from the thing that they are teaching you. And this is the problem. You can go back on my channel, you can go back on my YouTube videos. I've done cold calling, I've done the recruitment company. You can see it 6, 7 years, it's all documented. But now at 29 years old, I go and make my biggest mistake. I make a mistake, guys. My biggest mistake was I started 4 businesses in 1 year, right? So I did everything perfect until 28 and 29. I stuck at one thing, I keep building, alhamdulillah, at 29 now, I've got a business which is doing very, very well, right? And I can go into numbers, right? I'm doing more than half an M a year at that point, at 28, 29 years old. Now at that point, when I'm seeing a lot of success, I'm doing better than most 28, 29 years old. Why? I've stuck at one thing. I stuck at one thing, I believed it worked, and I just kept plucking away, right? But I made my big mistake because I took my eye off the ball. And when I took my eye off the ball, I said, great, I've done recruitment, I've seen success, now I want to start more businesses. So I start more businesses. And I make them a success. I get them to making £10,000 a month. I get them to making 6, 7, 8, 9, £10,000 a month. And fantastic, you will say that's success, right? But actually that wasn't success to me because my recruitment company was making way more than that, right? And I had to keep plucking away at that one business. So then when I took my focus away, all of a sudden now it was looking like my recruitment company, you know, it was there, but I'm not really growing it anymore. It's just steady. And that is a mistake because I spread myself too thin, right? So now, then I had to bring myself back in. At 31, 32, I learned from that mistake. I go back to recruitment and everything now becomes about recruitment. I keep my recruitment company, I keep maintaining it, I make it passive. I employ people in Pakistan and now I buy back my time. So I've got clients agreed, everything happens, I get people in Pakistan, they now passively run the recruitment company for me. So once I had bought back my time, it now became, where can I focus completely on one more business? So I've done this business, it makes a lot more money, I make it a lot more stable, now I make it passive, I buy back my time. What can I do? Okay, I've done this, now I can teach you guys how to start recruitment companies. Now I can actually focus on my coaching business where we provide results, where we help a lot of people, where we teach a lot of people how to start a recruitment company. Why? Because I've done it for 13 years now. And so I know that if I've done something for 13 years, I've scaled it, I've made a lot of money, I've helped a lot of other people make money in recruitment. Now actually, the one business I can focus on a lot is helping others start good recruitment companies, not only just the average person. Now companies, recruitment companies will pay me a lot of money to come in as a consultant. But look, not only will I teach the average person working a job on how to start a recruitment company, leave their job and go on and start a business, not only am I focusing on that, but actually recruitment companies will pay me as a consultant to come in and help them make more money. Right? So it's like, okay, my recruitment makes money. I've proved it, I've done it, and it keeps running, it's passive, it maintains, and we're making, alhamdulillah, good money in it. Now I can help others as well. So my focus now has become, how can I help you guys start your own recruitment companies and follow that path? By the way, leave your details in the link in the bio. It's completely a free masterclass on how you can start something. And I will say something. It's all about consistency, sticking at one thing over a long time, and you will change everything. Stop moving around and doing different things. Cut your habits out and just tell yourself, for 6 months, I'm going to focus on one thing and I'm not going to do anything else. That is it. Because wallahi, my exact plan was, I was focusing on my recruitment company, I was focusing on my prayers, I was making salah in the masjid, I was focusing on my Quran, I was doing my studies, but it was, I need to work on myself for 6 months. 6 months completely changed my life. And you have to understand, you're not behind. You're not behind if you're 18, 19, 20 years old. In fact, you're not behind when you're 28, 29, because even when you're 30, 35 years old, you will regret not taking action and not taking decisions when you're 40, 45 years old. Every 5 or 10 years, you're going to regret not making decisions early. And so you need to take action now. Today, by the way, this video is coming out in June. And therefore that means you've got July, August, September, October, November, December, 6 months, 2026. You do not want to waste the next 6 months. If you can focus in, lock in for the next 6 months, 2026 could be the best year you've had. But it starts today. So make sure, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share with your family and friends, because my job is trying to educate you and trying to make more money, inshallah.